How can I fix the sound issue on my Dish TV?
Hello and welcome to our guide on how to fix sound issues on your Dish TV. We understand how frustrating it can be when you can't enjoy your favorite shows due to poor sound quality. But don't worry, we're here to help. In this video, we will be walking you through some easy steps to resolve the common sound issues you might be facing with your Dish TV.
Is your TV muted or volume too low?
The first thing you want to check is if the issue is coming from your TV settings itself. Check if your TV is muted or the volume is too low. 1. Press the mute button on your TV or Dish remote to see if it unmutes the TV. 2. If the TV is not muted, try increasing the volume using your TV or Dish remote.
Are your TV speakers set correctly?
Sometimes, the TV is set to external speakers while you're using TV's built-in speakers or vice versa. Make sure you have the correct speaker settings on your TV. 1. Go to your TV settings. 2. Select Audio or Sound. 3. Ensure the TV speakers are set to the correct output, either TV speakers or external speakers, based on your setup.
Check the audio settings on your Dish TV.
The audio settings on your Dish TV might need adjusting. Here is how you can do it. 1. Press the menu button on your Dish remote. 2. Select Settings and then Audio Settings. 3. Make sure the audio output is set to stereo, unless you're using a surround sound system.
Check your cables and connections.
A loose or faulty cable can also cause sound issues. Make sure all the cables are firmly connected to the right ports on both your Dish receiver and TV. If you suspect a faulty cable, try swapping it out with a different cable to see if the sound issue resolves.
Reset your Dish receiver.
If all else fails, try resetting your Dish receiver. 1. Press and hold the power button on your Dish receiver for about 5 seconds until it turns off. 2. Wait a few moments, then turn it back on. Hopefully, following these steps has helped resolve your sound issues on Dish TV. If the problem persists, you may want to contact Dish customer service for further assistance. Thanks for watching and happy viewing.